Boss, si ufungue tu na kuona tu hapa karibu next. Na sasa agree. Na umehepa tena.
Wanamdetain illegally.
Yeah, this is illegal detaining.
Without our killing.
Unajua, the moment you have taken somebody from a plane, you have arrested him. A person who has his passport and there's nothing wrong with his documentation, he is flown into the country. Then you take him and tell him that you want to talk to him and arrest him. And he tells you he wants to speak to his people or his lawyer. You deny him that. You bring him to an enclosed place like this whereby even the lawyers are not allowed access. Even you cannot be allowed to speak to your lawyers, and nobody is speaking to you, including the officers who have brought him here. You're trying to talk to their bosses, you're trying to speak to the Inspector General and everybody else, and nobody is speaking even your phone. Then they come out and say that it is not an arrest. How can it not be an arrest? Does this place look like it is not an enclosed place? That man does not do business with the police. He does not do business in the terrorism police. He does not do business in this building. That you have brought him here without him agreeing and denying him counsel and denying counsel chance to see him, we can clearly see who the terrorists are. The terrorists are actually the police. The terrorists is the whole chain up to their bosses. The moment you take an innocent man and put him inside there without any offense, you are terrorizing him. The moment this man left this country here to go for his business and had done no offense, there was no OB, you had no charge, had no complainant. Then he comes back. He has not committed any offense, including in the air and in the plane that he has come, and you arrest him. On what basis? Where is that complaint? Who is charging him for anything? Why isn't the anti-terrorism police station? Why?
And you deny him the right to representation.
This is terrorism.
Yeah.
This is the actual terrorism. The man is terrorized right now.
How can he be free? I say he must be able to say that, okay, the person, you see, when you do a translator to him, he must speak to the translator and find out, are we able the same wavelength? Yes. Am I understanding? Because if you say that the man speaks, is a Kenyan, that guy is Turkish. How many languages are there? In Kenya, you must be able to understand. Apart from him coming from Turkey, he must be having somebody who they can communicate and understand each other, so that even if he has to respond to anything, or he has to ask for his rights, then and the translator should be able to capture
correctly.